Hello and welcome everyone to another video here on this channel. My name is Daniel and in this video I will give you all my expectations and share my price targets about the Bitcoin, Ethereum and also the guarantee price chart with you. And the special altcoin for today which I picked out for you is BNB because in my opinion this is a very interesting chart which I want to take a closer look at with you together here in this video, so stick here with me until the very end. And as I've highlighted here in yellow for you, this is the wave count I've been tracking here on this channel since a few weeks. And we predicted this push towards the upside in this wave 3 very nicely. We hit the wave 4 target area, entered in long trades down there, cashed them out somewhere here, quite above the $1,600 US. And since then, I was looking out for short trade opportunity in this target area. And unfortunately, the orders which I set here in this target area, they didn't get triggered. So at the end, I was a few dollars too high with these short orders, but better be safe than sorry. This was not a very nice entry opportunity in my opinion for the shorts. So I wanted to see one last higher high, which we didn't get at the end. So that's why I'm still at the sidelines. And at the moment, you can see we are moving down in this A wave as we have expected. So the only thing is that we had a very short wave 5 here, but this is absolutely not a problem since we had an extended wave 3. The short wave 5 is not too unlikely here in this case. So can we be sure to be in this wave count? No, not yet. What would give me the confirmation if we are seeing the Ethereum price now reaching the price target of this wave 3, which is at like 1564, then doing a 4th and a 5th wave. So this would be the first very good sign that we are actually in this wave count. But what would be the good trading opportunity here? Actually, maybe I will try a small long position here for the B wave. But actually I have something better which I want to show you. It's on another chart, but let's go through the Ethereum chart here first. So the first trading opportunity would be to long after a 5 wave move, but be prepared that this can be also a very shallow wave B. It can of course also be a very large wave B which overshoots and then the C wave comes down. But I don't like to trade B waves, so that's why I most likely will not take this trade. I will maybe take the short position at the end of the B wave for the wave C down, because this is a more reliable wave pattern when we got 5 waves down and 3 waves up. So we can expect another dump down. But I will show you in this video something better, something which, or in my opinion better. However, this is no financial advice, just my opinion and the solution of my analysis, which I'm providing you here for free on this channel. So that's basically where we are in my opinion. So in the middle of this A wave, keep that in mind, because I will remember you later on another chart that ETH is in the middle of this A wave in my opinion. And if we are looking at the Bitcoin chart, and before we start straight into the charts, I want to announce the current giveaway from $1,000 US, which is made by BITGET. And with the link down below in the video description, you can take part. The winners will be selected by the highest trading volume and also by the highest P&L. With the links here down below in the video description, you can not only sign up with BITGET and get your normal $8,000 US bonus. No, actually right now they give you $2,000 US on top of that, which you can take as well for your trading bonus. And of course you can take your trading bonus and compete with that in the trading competition. So I wish you all the best, and we start straight into the charts. We can see, in my opinion, kind of the same scenario. We got 5 waves completed in this blue guideline. I told you in my last videos already, in all of the previous videos I made in the last few days, I told you I think 3 times up here, this can be a local high, this can be the top of the 5th wave already. However, I told you, okay, the target area is expanding until up there. So, but approximately around about the $26,000 US was my price target. As you can see, also there we got a short wave 5 because the wave 3 was pretty extended. And I think also there we are now in the middle of this A wave. We also got a possible 1, 2, and we are now in the middle of this 3rd wave towards the downside of the A wave. So Bitcoin and Ethereum are, in my opinion, here in the same, according to the same wave count. So let's see if we get the A with 5 waves and the B wave up with 3 waves. So that will be the situation where I will open up a short for the C wave down. But let's now finally come over to the chart, which is the most interesting right now at the moment, and where my next trading opportunity is coming. Because I think that will be the soonest price target or the soonest target area which we will hit. And if you cannot believe it right now what happened here on this chart, just check out all the videos which I made here on this channel already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks ago about BNB. Because actually the scenario which I was providing you here on this channel all of the time is unfolding right now in the charts. And as you can see, I highlighted here in blue that we got a 5-wave move on the daily time frame there already, and a 3-wave move down in an ABC correction in the perfect wave 2 target area. And from there, this is in my opinion the low of the wave 2. So we should get wave 3 towards the upside. And we have seen a very, very nice impulse here in the first wave. And I told you up there, if we get a 3-wave correction down from now, I assume that the first wave is over. We are coming down in wave 2, and this will be not only a very good trading opportunity, in my opinion, it will be one of the best trading opportunities you can actually get in Elliott waves, because we have a big 1-2 setup on the daily time frame and another smaller one on the 4-hour, or also visible on the daily time frame. And if you can see, if you can check out, my target area is between 279 or 280 US dollars, and the bottom line is 264 US dollars. And if we zoom in, my prediction is actually that the bottom will be at 272 US dollars. Don't take that too serious. It's just a speculation, and however, this is never guaranteed. In financial markets, everything can happen, but the 272, in my opinion, is very likely to be a target here for this move towards the downside. From there, I will open up massive long positions. We haven't seen 2-1-2 setups in crypto for a while towards the upside. It has been a very long time until this happened. Probably the last bull run where we saw that the last time. So this will actually be, if we get a little bit lower, a very nice trading opportunity, and I have analyzed this already in the smaller time frames here for you as well. Because if we assume that this was the wave 1 of 3 and this is now the wave 2 of 3, I have highlighted here in red that we got a 5-wave move down there, in a leading diagonal, which is most likely a wave A here highlighted in green. Then we saw a corrective move towards the upside, also in green, which was in my opinion the B wave. And if we are now getting 5 waves down, this would actually be the perfect confirmation for me that this is the C wave. I will not short it, because we are on the overall time frames very bullish. I will stand on the sidelines, but as you can see now, BNB is in the middle here of this green wave C. And as I told you at the beginning of the video, keep in mind that Bitcoin and Ethereum are in the middle of the A wave. So actually BNB is 2 waves ahead of them. So actually, in my opinion, BNB will come down here in this wave C target area at the same time when Bitcoin and Ethereum only hit the wave A target. So actually, while Bitcoin and Ethereum are only doing this B wave, then BNB is already, or should already technically, rally up here in a large wave 3 of 3. So that's why my focus is actually right now here on the BNB chart, because I think this is one of the most interesting trading opportunities we saw in crypto for years, to be honest, or especially long trade opportunities, because this is something very bullish, especially if we see it on the higher time frames like the daily candles. And so I'm waiting here. This can take, if I measure the time here for you, this can take something in between a few hours and actually 4, 5, 6 days. I cannot tell you the time exactly because it's not possible in Elliott waves, but I can tell you the price target, and this price target is between 280 and 265 US dollars after we saw a 5-wave move. After we completed this 5-wave move down from 330 US dollars. Like this is a 1, 2, now comes the 3, should come down to 280, then a 4 to 295, and then the complete 5th wave down to the 272. So that's my current assumption here about the market, and I'm observing this very closely. I think this will be a very great trading opportunity, and I will try to take that ride towards the upside, while Bitcoin and Ethereum are only unfolding this B wave. And and later on, of course, after the Ethereum did the B and the C wave as well, I will of course as well take the Ethereum trade when the Ethereum is in the right area. But right now we are I don't want to say far away from it, but we need to complete 2.5 more waves, if you want to count it like that, like half of the A wave, then the B wave, and also the C wave. And BNB only needs to complete half of the C wave. So that's actually my view about BNB and all the crypto market. If you like this content, smash up the like button, subscribe on this channel, and also activate the small little bell so you will always get notified when I upload a new video here for you. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you very much for sticking here with me until the very end. And I hope we will see each other, of course, in the next video here on this channel. Ciao, ciao.